Hi, this is Bob Johnson, Computer Stuff, and if you're looking for an online Toughbook community that gives tips, tricks, and support, hit the subscribe and bell button for all of our upcoming videos. Today, we will be replacing the WAN card in your Durabook S14i semi-rugged laptop. This is one of the newer laptops from Durabook that we offer on our website. First thing you want to do is flip the unit over and remove the battery and SSD drive. Both batteries were already removed. To remove the SSD drive, you just want to push down this lever here and you can pull it right out. Now to remove the rear cover, it's just 3 screws and then you can pry it open and remove. And that'll give you access to your WAN card. So there might be a little bit of tape here, which you could just get out the way. It will be screwed down by 1 screw and 2 connectors here that also need to be removed. It's like 1 black and 1 gray. Once that's all carefully removed, it's like you can replace your WAN card. Since there's nothing wrong with this one, I'll put that right back. You just want to make sure that all the connectors were properly secured and that now you can put the rear cover back on. The SSD can go back in and you're all done. Thank you for watching. Any questions or comments you can leave below.